Well, travelers are the one who are feeling very low these days because they can't go out due to current lockdown situation. But don't worry, I have something for you to cheer you up. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories, sometimes cartoon. But this special episode is for all those travelers who are feeling low. So in this episode, I have shared 3 amazing DIY handmade cards ideas to share with your traveler beloved siblings, friends or family members and cheer them up. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video.
Let's start with very basic of travel card making. Firstly, you will need 2 A4 size sheets followed by watercolors and oh yes, my shein travel sticker which I will use in making this card and the basic stationery items we all need. First of all, take A4 size sheet, fold it into half and with the help of brush and water, spread the blue color on it. Now time to make cutouts for cards now. Here I am taking another A4 size sheet on which I will make a cutout of Polaroid picture. Measurements I took for this cutout is 12 cm long and 10 cm broad. Now make a frame of Polaroid picture and sketch a view of London, followed by a cartoon of cat holding a flag of Europe and a mouse, just like a Tom and Jerry. Okay, now let's color them and do a outline of both the cutout. Then write a birthday wish for your loved one on a Polaroid picture. Make a border on card to give it a more sharp look. So here is the cutouts I made for the card. Now it is time to steal some from my Shein stationery collection. This is the final look of the card for all those who love traveling and whose favorite destination is London. Now let's move to another idea. Basics again: A4 size sheet, watercolors, shein stationery stickers and regular stationery items. Now take your A4 size sheet, cut it into half and paste the other ends of the card, which will change the shape of the card. With the help of watercolors, paint the card in 3 shades: light blue, blue and sand. Make cutouts of peach like umbrella, easy chair, slippers, birthday wish, etc. Oh, don't forget to do the outline then. Now take these cutouts, add some from Shein sticker collection, place them accordingly and paste them with the help of Fevicol. This will be the final look of our beach travel card. Let's move on to next idea. Time to prepare for last and final item, for which you will need A4 size sheet, watercolors, water, shein travel and vintage stickers, and some usual basic stationery items, and a packet of Nescafe coffee. To give our card vintage look, I will color it with coffee water. I made this solution by mixing coffee powder in water and paint it on a sheet and let it dry. Now make a design on card. I chose musical lyrics with birthday wish and did an outline with black pen. Take out your favorite shein sticker from the collection, arrange them and then paste it on a card. This is how our last and final card will look like. Now time to go and make your favorite one out of all these three and surprise your special one.
I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel and tell us about your experience in the comment section below, and don't forget to tune in to every Wednesday and Sunday for new uploads. Till then, stay safe, have a nice day, bye.